Watch the video to learn how to quickly replace the nylon wheels on the printer spray truck and the rubber wheels on the printer base plate. First, to ensure that the printer is turned off and not powered on, use a hex wrench to remove the bolts on the wheel that need to be replaced. The bolts must be installed from the side with the larger hole in the wheel. After the bolts are installed, a thick gasket is installed on the side with the smaller hole in turn, and then two thin gaskets are installed. You need to remember how to remove it and put it back together. After the wheel is placed in the vertical rail chute, the bolt and the gasket can be aligned with the threaded port to fix and lock it. Next, how to replace the rubber wheel on the base plate. To replace the rubber wheel on one side of the chassis, you need to lift the chassis lock and move the chassis away. To replace the wheel on the right side of the chassis, you need to slide the machine to the right out of the ground track a little. Otherwise, replace the left side and slide out to the left. Replacing the outer wheel is relatively simple. Use a hexagon wrench to remove the wheel that needs to be replaced. The rubber wheel is not divided into front and back sides. After the bolts are installed, the gaskets are installed in turn and installed back, and the bolts can be fixed and locked. To replace the rubber wheel on the back of the base plate, you need to remove the 4 bolts in the video. After removing the wheel bracket, break apart the aluminum parts on both sides and replace the damaged wheel. Close the aluminum parts, put them back on the base plate, lock the bolts, and complete the replacement. After the replacement of the rubber wheel is completed, the machine is pushed back to the track and restored.